Salman sir, but this film has a lot of action also, you know.
It has everything.
You have
It
to
has
carry
everything.
that with you all the time. There's a lot of emotion. I love that last sequence in the end where Rashmika is singing the song also. Beautifully done. Does this get tougher also to be able to live up to everyone's expectation, to marry everyone?
With the years of experience and the enthusiasm still there, it's getting easier.
Best part that you liked about the trailer that you're watching right now, you watched it in totality, we saw it twice, what did you like the
The
most?
best part I liked of the trailer was like the whole trailer, but the second half of the trailer was amazing with that. Humko mili.
I would love to make her sing that again, but it was fine. Will you sing it, sir? Salman sir, will you sing it? I'll have the entire crowd sing with you. The lyrics, right? Who knows his full song? Who knows his full song here? Who knows? You know the full song?
घड़ियां नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो बात नहीं रात
Wonderful, wonderful. This is, I think, just an incredible family atmosphere also that's happened there. Salman sir, who was the most surprising performance in all the cast? You know, who really surprised you when you saw
See,
it?
I think all of them are fantastic and they've worked really, really hard. Especially Miss Mandana here has given it her best. She was shooting for Pushpa 2 and we were there and she used to finish shooting at about 7 o'clock. She used to join us at 9 o'clock in the evening. She used to be working with us till 6:30 in the morning and then she used to go back to work for Pushpa 2. And she was not well as well. And then after she breaking her leg, she is still short with us, didn't cancel a single day. She reminds me a lot of me.
You had broken ribs.
Younger me means yesterday coming.
But you had a very tough time as well also. You know, it's a lot of the times when you have an action hero image also.
When the going gets tough, the tough get going.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this was fantastic. We'll do a little photo op also. Pehle taaliyan ho jaye for this entire star cast. We'll take all the mics. And we want you want that, right? That picture. Everyone over here should do that little picture.